Have you heard of the Sistaco Mineral Bond Nail System? Well, if you haven't, I am here to tell you all about it. This is a mineral powder system that you have to see. Keep watching. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica here from Coils and Curls. Welcome to a Fun Finger Friday. We are doing nails. I am very fun. I am painted with all different colors. I am taking you on a journey of nail powders. Today is all about the Sistaco Mineral Bond Nail System. Wait until you see what's in this box. Want to see how it works? That's today's video. Now there's a very fun way to take this off. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to do a gentle filing over the nail so that you break that top coat. And wait until you see how this bubbles. It is just so bizarre. So you have to file that off. Because it is almost like a gel coating over it, that's why it's so tough, and you need to break that seal in order for the express remover to do its job. Now for the express remover, I'm still learning how much to put on, so it's still a learning curve for me. But you're supposed to keep it only on the polish, and you're supposed to dab it onto the nail. Now, I want you to see what this does. How bizarre is that? And you're supposed to leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you scrape it off. I'm going to do the rest of my nails. I will be back in 2 to 3 minutes. Now, just so that you can see this. And now, to push it off of the nail. I might need a second round. I'm going to finish cleaning it up. We are getting started with our Sistaco Mineral Bond. You guys are going to be amazed. I absolutely love this. So I bought their kit when it was on sale for Black Friday, of course. I bought one metallic. Most of their classics have some shimmer to them, and I didn't really want to do a metallic, or they have holographic, which is very shiny. It's just not me. But I did buy one metallic, and when I tried it the last time, it didn't work very well. It seems that a lot of people kind of make their own formulas on what works best, even though they send you a booklet about how to apply each different classic, metallic, and holographic. You have your LED light. I will need my glasses for this. Yes, you are going to see me in glasses this time because I need it to see to do my nails. So this is Black Pearl, which I had worn. I think I showed it to you in my last video of 2023. So this is Black Pearl because they give you, when you order the kit, they give you 2 little containers so that you can mix your own. So I bought the black and I bought the white, which you can actually see through this, so that I could lighten or darken different colors so that I could keep using them even in the winter. And then lighten some when it comes into spring and summer, if necessary. Let's see, so I also got burnt orange, which of course I have not used as of yet. They have a safety seal over the plastic lid. Now, as per the directions, you want to gently buff the nail. You want to allow the base coat to adhere. So just very lightly, because you do not want to strip your nails of any layers. Nails are made up of layers of keratin. That's why if you have ridges, you must be careful, because if you over buff out the ridges, you're taking layers of your nail off, which is weakening it. Just an FYI, there is a Sistaco Facebook page that I was reading because I still need help. I'm still figuring this out. They said to use alcohol to fully dehydrate the nail. So that's what I'm doing today, and we'll see if it works better. There's 7 colors. I will have nails all different colors for this week. I do have my orange wood stick because you want to make sure when you apply your base coat as well as the top coat that if it's in the wells of your nails, you want to make sure you clean that out. Once you cure under the LED light, it becomes very hard. So if you have this little wing off on the side, you're going to be feeling it, and it's really not a good feeling. And if you try to clip it away with a pair of cuticle nippers like I did, then it just lifts the whole nail off. So just clean the well, but I'll show you what I mean. Glasses on so I can see, although they are a bit dirty. The base coat, so I am going to shake it. For the classic powders, you're supposed to apply the base coat and then cure your nails. They'll still be a little tacky, and then you apply the color. I'm going to play and you're going to come along for the ride. You know what? I'm going to start with my dominant hand because I do so poorly at this. I did take my gabapentin, so I'm hoping it works enough to keep me from shaking too badly. A thin layer. Always do your free edge so that you're completely sealing the nail. If you do not get a spot, the powder is not going to stick. Not every manicure turns out perfectly, but I am learning. The first few things that I like about this line, number 1, these are true powders that are mineral based and non-toxic. They are also vegan. Oh, I have a lot in the well, and it does not include any animal derived ingredients. Last but not least, which is one of my favorites, is that it's cruelty free. They do not test on animals. That's big to me. Now, their LED light has 2 settings. If you press the button, it goes on, but that only gives you 60 seconds of light. You need to hold the button down until the light comes on, and that gives you a 2-minute cure. I do one hand at a time so that I don't have to worry about messing anything up. Sistaco Mineral Bond is free of 16 carcinogens. I mean, that's incredible. Now that I have cured both hands, you can see that they're very shiny and they are still tacky. Dip in, very light strokes, barely touching the nail. Don't forget to do your free edges. Now they also have another applicator with a brush. If you're using the brush, you dip into the powder and with light strokes, barely touching the nail. Well, I have a little lump in there. I don't know what happened. I feel like the brush works better getting into the corners. First hand is done, all different colors. Oh my goodness, my girlies, what I do for you. Do you know that? What I do for you. The instructions for the metallic is that you do the base coat, then you do the top coat, and then you cure. I am not doing it that way because I didn't like the way it turned out. And I did it the way you're supposed to do it, the classic. It worked better, but it didn't stay too well. Oh, let's see, mixing. I get sort of one of the colors that I purchased. Okay, well, let's see how that turns out. It's definitely different. Oh, that's kind of nice, actually. That's very subdued now. People do fun things like ombre. Oh, that's kind of fun. You do just the tip, following your natural line. Oh, look how cute. Oh, there you go. Like that. Okay, now it is time for the top coat. So we're going to shake it, and again, very thin coats of the top coat. I'm going to cure this hand. Again, this is the 2 minutes to cure the top coat. Cheers, my curlies. My nails are done, and let's take a peek. I don't know if you can see how shiny they are. The only way to see everything is to do the claw, but I really don't like that. But very shiny. I do have to do a little cleanup. And if you want, you can buy things separately, or you can do the system. They have 3 different types. So if you go onto their website, you'll see the kits. And I took the middle one, and that was 3 colors plus those 2 little containers and the sponge and the brush. So if you are looking for a non-toxic, mineral-based polish system, this is it. But the polishes are only the base coat and the top coat, and the rest are the powders. I love it. I'm having a blast with it. I definitely like the way this turned out, the ombre. Look how cute that is. And it's very subtle. Now that I've seen some of the things that these women do from the Facebook page, I'm ready to play. And we'll see how long this application lasts. Sistaco. Well, my curlies, end of another video. Yeah, I know, it wasn't about hair, I'm sorry. It was about nails. But you know, I like to keep it natural and I like to keep it real. And so when I find things that I think are fantastic, I want to share it with you. And no, I am not an affiliate. I purchased this all by myself. So, in all honesty, because I have no skin in the game, I definitely think it is worth it. It's worth it to try it. In the last 10 years, I have had such trouble polishing my nails between the base coat and the 2 coats of polish, which I always did 3, and then the top coat. And then you have to sit and wait, even though you use the speed drops. And I would always mess it up. Honestly, I think this is easier because I don't get as messy with just the base coat and the top coat, because I don't have to do the coats of polish. When you have essential tremor, it gets to be a little difficult to do your nails, your mascara, your liner, you know, all of that stuff. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up down below so that you tell everyone that you love this video. While you're down there, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Share me like a delicious piece of chocolate cake. Yeah, I know, I'm hungry. It's 8:15. Well, my girlies, I'll see you next week. Ciao for now. It's 6:08. Okay. This is a mineral powder. Have you heard of the Sistaco? Have you heard about the Sistaco mineral? No. Have you heard about the mineral? Could you please fucking work for me? Please. I'm so tired. Thank you. Very nice. Okay. And we'll see how long this nails this application.